friend from alginate, who is representing Dr. Nehemiah's group, to say the industrial expertise given by Dr. V.K.
Dear Professor V.Krishnamurthy, the dignitaries of the dais, senior scientists, students, and my friends. It is my great privilege and honor to stand before you to felicitate Dr. Krishnamurthy, the living delegate of algae. I am standing in place of Mr. V.K, the director of Snap Naturals, a company existing in Ranipet since 1979. Before saying a few words about the living legend, I would like to introduce about the company because I got a reason behind it. We were settled in Ranipet in 1979 and we are producing alginates and carrageenan from brown algae, Sathyabama University, and red algae, Kappa. Nearly about 1 lakh people are employed along the coastline of Rameshwaram to Kanyakumari. We manufacture alginates. We supply to various industries such as welding electrodes, pharmaceutical industries, most of the multinational companies, food industries like Nestle, Dabur, etc., rubber industries, paper industries, and so on. And we also supply carrageenan to many food industries. Now, in our industry, we generate huge volume of effluent, which is also treated using blue-green algae, and the technology was finalized by Professor Sathyabama team of V.K. University. And from the seaweed remains, we also produce organic manure, extract, hormones for growth promoting of plant growth promoters, etc., which was designed. The research support was rendered by Professor Dr.Rajasekar. And Professor Dr.Rajasekar is helping us in cultivating sargassum seaweeds along the coastline of Senior Badaga, a village near Rameshwaram. Now, nearly 1 lakh people are employed in these things. We take seaweeds from Kanyakumari, we extract alginates, we manufacture fertilizers, and these fertilizers are used everywhere, including for the apples in Kashmir. So it's a national integrity. We take weeds from Kanyakumari, we supply the product to Kashmir. Now, when this industry, we would like to share a few things. Our association with Professor Dr. Krishnamurthy started since the inception of our company in 1979. For anything, we used to just approach Dr. Krishnamurthy for his advice. Our friends said most of the projects in the country are done by chemical engineers and chemists and so on. Our factory is also purely of chemical engineers, chemists, chartered accountants, and so on. It doesn't have a biologist. But the difference is, for anything, we approach Professor Dr. Krishnamurthy and we get the real support of all the eminent scientists. I can see all of our friends who helped us in many ways. Professor Kaliparman is standing there, he has given wonderful ideas. Dr. Geetba is sitting there, Professor Rajasekar is there, Dr. Chandran is there. So we could see everybody who just help us like anything. We take their support. Without their support, we cannot exist. Not only their support, but more than that, it is their blessings, especially the blessings of Mr. V.K, Professor V.K. Now, I would like to quote a recent incident where Professor Krishnamurthy really, I'd say, rescued the industry from demise. You people all, the youngsters sitting here, you people are wondering what you are talking about, the research papers, you are publishing so many papers, you are talking about seaweed, you are talking about algae, and what is the impact of these things on the socio-economics of our country. Now, nearly, I said, 1 lakh people are employed by us in the Gulf of Mannar, and so many industries are there, and they are producing and they are supplying. There is a big chain on it, and we are supplying to various people. So many people are benefited. Now, in 2009, there was a problem. People mistook the whole fast of sargassum seaweeds for corals, which is a banned item. the forest officials would enough exposure or knowledge about the corals and the difference between the corals and the holdfast. They mistook the holdfast for corals, and they said the people engaged in seaweed business are destroying the coral reefs, they are killing the live corals, and it's immediately banned. And there was an order passed, and all the goods along the coastline worth of many lakhs was seized, and the seaweeds were really spoiling and they are rotting. And our industries were sealed. They just sealed off the industries. All the industries were, and few industries, the owners of the few industries, cases were filed, and they are still facing their cases. In this crisis, immediately we approached Professor Krishnamurthy, Dr. Kaliperumal, Sathyabama, Dr. Rangasamy, Dr. Kumaraguru, and everybody. And Professor Krishnamurthy immediately wrote a letter. Through V.K. University, they took an anatomy. They said it's holdfast, it's plant matter, it's not coral, which is animal matter. It's purely plant matter. And he wrote a letter with his shivering hand. He didn't stop with that. He just walked with the director to the office of the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest in Chennai at the age of his probably around 88. At the age of 88, this old gentleman walked as a warrior, leading us to the team, and he told them, see, what you are doing is wrong. He said it's a renewable resource. And he told the importance of all these things. Immediately, the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, he couldn't say anything. He wrote a letter, ordered to his department, immediately circulated all over Tamil Nadu, stating that, okay, the ban on seaweed should be removed and the seaweed business has to be supported. It should be done as per the guidelines of the eminent scientists. And now, the 1,000 employees are eating their bread. You should see, this because of this old gentleman, nearly 1 lakh people are eating their bread. We should appreciate eminent research scholars, scientists, etc. But you should see his contribution to the society in eliminating the poverty of many people. He walks to our factory whenever he wants. He's the most important guest to us. He's like the father of our industry. We welcome, we adore him, and whatever the requirement, we just approach him. Now today when I was sitting here, I was listening to the talk. I was told that nearly 5 generations are sitting here. I was thinking about the culture of our country. We have a very, the best culture in the world. We are very proud of our culture. When I was thinking of the word, what is culture? Culture, we take from the previous generation and we follow it up and we pass it on to the next generation. Now, I could see that culture from Professor V.K. was taken up by his students. It was sincerely, honestly, it was passed on so far up to the 4th generation. And 4th generation, like Professor Rangasamy, will definitely pass on to the 5th generation. So, like Professor Krishnamurthy, I think you, the younger scientists, should also support the industries, the people below poverty line to light in their lives. With these few words, I once again pray God to bless Professor Dr. Rajasekar, Professor Krishnamurthy with a long life and many more years to come.